So you're in the market for an espresso machine and want to decide between the Breville Infuser and Philips 3200 series. Let's compare them and see which one is the best for you. The Breville Infuser retails for $599.95, while the Philips 3200 series comes at the slightly higher price of $849. The Breville Infuser is equipped with PID temperature control, adjustable in 4F increments, and a pressure gauge which guides you to the right extraction every time, while the Philips 3200 series offers adjustable aroma strength, coffee quantity, and the amount of milk froth. The Breville Infuser comes with all the cleaning accessories you need, including cleaning disc and tablets, and a cleaning tool. On the other hand, the Philips 3200 series has a Latte Go system that provides silky smooth milk froth and is exceptionally easy to clean with just 2 dishwasher-safe parts and no tubes. Moreover, it can go up to 5,000 cups, without descaling with regular replacement of the AquaClean water filter. The Breville Infuser has a capacity of 61 ounces water tank, while the Philips 3200 series comes with a 9.7 ounces bean container, 12x waste container, and a 60.8 ounces capacity. So there you have it. As you can see, both products have pros and cons, and the choice depends on your needs and preferences. Hopefully this review helped you decide which one is the best for you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.